know what I do. Had a 4-5 on me when I was in school. I'ma do it, they didn't let me lose. Headshots till I put a nigga on the news. All these niggas rookies, I'm a vet. All pro niggas better show me some respect. Cause if I feelin' disrespect, 4-5 shots to the nigga in his neck. I'ma keep cooking till there's nothing left. Like we tryna be the cause of niggas' deaths. Super after throwing up the set, still twisting my fingers, screaming NBA. What if I saw go like a lipo on me when I said that shit wasn't no typo? Bad bitch, baby, yo, got lipo. She said she wanna see what all the hypo. Big knocks, little knocks, y'all like those. 380 on me, go wherever I go. Spin through they block, mask on like Michael. Shots in the shot, see that nigga die slow. Smoking house, I be sleeping and shit. Mama knock, I ain't leaving that bitch. We tryna run with the car, gotta shoot to the beam on the blick. How the fuck I'ma miss? Oh, he screaming at EMS, shit to the EMS. I pick him up like a lift. Big dollars and he gon' get hit. Like I forever gon' be on that shit. They like Cancel Bullet need a chill. He always tryna spin and do a drill. Cause they talking like they in the field. But see, I really do this for real. Biggie me can't give a fuck how you feel. I was in bull at a low pill. I'm tryna pop a nigga like a pill. Like bullets gon' spin a nigga like a wheel. Hey, yo, Ray, let's run through the 8. We tryna leave a gun on his face. Right now, game better pick up the pace. Smoking on too many outs, I be laced. I'm with TG, I'm with Chase, nigga, fuck her until we fuck up on the way. Big dot 4 niggas, nobody safe. Files on top of me, I'm get a race on boom. My niggas pull up, shake the room, hopping out of car, tryna let it boom. 6'5" MB, go cool, spin through, start shooting niggas with the boom. Like these niggas, they know what I do. Had a 4-5 on me when I was in school. I'ma do it, they didn't let me lose. Headshots till I put a nigga on the news. All these niggas rookies, I'm a vet. All pro niggas better show me some respect. Cause if I feelin' disrespect, 4-5 shots to the nigga in his neck. I'ma keep cooking till there's nothing left. Like we tryna be the cause of niggas' deaths. Super after throwing up the set, still trying my fingers, screaming NBA. Yeah, boom. Like what? What the fuck? Mr. Ready to Blitz. Every outside, everything dead. Quick draw, I'm letting this fall. How tip they gon' tear up his heart. Hit him up, we gon' tear him up. All nigga dumb, he got left, he wants to move a smart. All the guys don't call like a console. We tryna hop, then we gon' get a ball. Got so many deaths, I don't know where to start. Just run a naughty up and then I smoke like I'm a flick. You gon' pick him, we don't want try to make a new victim. Hop out 2-3 shots, don't miss it. I got his body, watch you get the twitching. Corey Bowler, he gon' leave you missing. That's the Mac and I know you gon' get him. If I tell him hit him, we gon' hit him. I tryna hop him, my neck, I ain't in them. Put him like he ain't have a clue. That nigga daddy ain't know how to move. If you see me, you know I'm a fool. All these niggas act like they don't know what we do. Easy with me, they know he gon' cool. Me when they ain't though, like those dudes, like that's how niggas get put on the news. He got hit, they watch his body ooze like bombs on top. We the niggas that's winning and really betting on the odds. We the dots. Beat up, watch down 100 like let my brothers off the rock. Don't stop. We keep upping and upping until we leave him on the spot. Big knock can't fit in my sock. He was like, I got hit, he drop like only hit for the head in the chest. I told my niggas don't settle for less. I'm dying on them niggas straight. Fool niggas got hit for tapping their necks like you get shot if you dropping my set. 40 back with the rest, tryna fuck up a jet like waiting and pain on the hospital to wreck. Still rolling up every time they get stretched like spinning it, I've been feeling the click. Don't one of them kids and I'm squeezing this shit. Hit his chest and I'm whizzing this shit. Give up for this gun, this beat was legit like why the fuck is niggas on my dick when they made the guy hit it, put up in his clip. Yeah, I'm rich when I'm taking that risk, don't pull of the demon, we're ready to push like let's rock and roll like heavy metal. That's what I'm seeing life on a death row. We attached to the blue, we can't let go. I say I got my up and then let go. Keep taking out like they get close. You with this story might get him in smoke. Naughty and naughty, both got their roll. Gun jam, we get beat with the bow. Niggas rich today, so like a Nintendo. Football, my way like that, like a Slimbo. Ziplo, shit like a limo. 7-6, so shit, I knocked in the hippo. On the Mac, wait, who that? Over the window, I put the attack. Try to run and put 6 in his back. Spinning on bro, get left in the pass. Nigga run around and shit on his back. When I fuck, I be big on her back. Got that when I fuck from the back. When text me, screaming, get back. That shit crash, she look like 9/11 when it flash. Get back, don't get me mad. Put on my mattress, I love when we clash. Don't want me throwing on the strap. We throwing first, we never throw back. Can't lie, won't lie. Anyone moves and I'm letting it clash. Who's that when I'm throwing him in shack? TC got Cody and Baldy got side. That's a fact, so you better relax. Let's go flick him and hit him in his gas. Just run down, leave him where he at. How many niggas got turned to a bag? That's the gate, ain't met a fake. We went up there, we ain't aiming for legs. Boom. Every up shot. Like what? MPMP.